Find your way to your next experience. The BMW Motorrad ConnectedRide Navigator offers all the navigation and connectivity features you need as a heavy-duty device integrated into your BMW motorcycle system and seamlessly controlled with the multi-controller. Here's an overview of the main features. For more details, please refer to our FAQ and videos on the BMW Motorrad website. Check out the links in the video description below. The ConnectedRide Navigator offers full navigation capabilities without online access. Connection is everything. For its full potential, like sharing routes and rides, connect the device to the internet. Go to Settings, System, and select Wi-Fi for a home Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot connection, or insert a SIM card for mobile data. In Settings, My BMW ID, you can log in to sync your ConnectedRide Navigator with your BMW ConnectedRide app. Please make sure that the same account is used for both the app and the Navigator. To pair your ConnectedRide Navigator with other devices for your ride, go to the Connectivity Hub for standard Bluetooth pairing with your smartphone and up to 2 helmets. This way, you can also display and control phone calls and media from your smartphone. Let's plan your next riding experience. Go to Navigation and simply click on the map to set your destination. Or select Start for all navigation functionalities, entering an address, searching for POIs, or following planned routes. For any navigation, select Options to adjust routing criteria. Flexibility is key. Any planned route can be displayed on the map. Select it from the menu, click the 3 dots, and select Show on Map. Now your planned route is displayed. And by going to Options and changing the routing criteria, you can follow a different turn-by-turn guidance to the selected destination. Under Rides, you can choose to record your rides, which will also be synchronized to the BMW ConnectedRide app. On both devices, you can later view your driving data and edit the displayed information. Make life a connected ride and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW motorcycle. Please follow the links in the description below.